Hello students, this is the video for class 8 chapter 2 part 3. So let's continue from harmful fungi. Spoilage of food, growth of mounds can make food unfit for consumption. Molds grow on foods, fruit juices and vegetable and spoil them. उन्हें खराब कर देता है मोल्ड उसके ऊपर उगकर. You can see them with naked eyes on a rotten bread and can slide and observe under microscope. Digestion नहीं है आपके में अब तो अब diseases है. Disease is fungi causing diseases in human beings, plants and animals. They can cause skin diseases like athlete's foot and ringworms. Athlete's foot makes the feet itchy, मतलब खुजली. Spoilage of leather, fungus grow on leather, food wear and cotton dot, which are in use of grains due to moisture in great amount in air. Protozoans are unicellular and microscopic organisms. Protozoa are notable for their ability to move independently. Characteristics found in the majority of species. They usually lack the capability for photosynthesis. Most protozoans species are aerobic, but some anaerobic species have found in the human intestine and animals human. Protozoans are located in moist habitats. Protozoans play an important role as zooplankton, the free-floating aquatic organism of the ocean. Here they are found at the basis of many food chains and they participate in many food webs. So, protozoans are the simplest small animals like organisms. Protozoan cells have no cell walls, therefore can be assumed as variety of shapes. तो उसकी कोई शेप नहीं होती, किसी भी वेराइटी ऑफ शेप में हो सकता है. प्रोटोजोआ हेट्रोट्रॉफिक माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं. दे डिराइव न्यूट्रिशन बाय इनगल्फिंग अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को खाकर वो अपना फूड डाइजेस्ट करते हैं इंटरसेलुलरली अपने अंदर ही. Many protozoa species move independently by one of the three types of locomotory organelles, Flagella, Cilia and Pseudopodia. The common name of protozoa are amoeba, Paracium, Eugenia, Plasmodium, Ectoamoeba, Trypanosoma and Leishmania. Beneficial protozoans. Soil fertility. Protozoans play important role in fertility of soil. Important role इनका fertility of soil में. By grazing on small bacteria, they regulate bacterial population and maintain them in the state of psychological youth and in active growing phase. This enhances the rate at which bacteria decomposes dead organic matter. Protozoa also excrete nitrogen and phosphorus in the form of ammonia and decomposes the compound of phosphate in the soil, thus enhancing plant growth. Waste treatment. Protozoas play an important role in waste treatment process. Protozoa feed on fungi and bacteria which decompose organic matter. Thus, protozoa constitute of important step in waste degradation के लिए यूज होता है ये बहुत ज़्यादा. हार्मफुल प्रोटोजोआ क्या होते हैं? These are many protozoa which are parasitic in nature and live on the bodies of other organisms. दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के ऊपर ये रहते हैं. Most of them are harmful and cause a number of diseases in human and plants and animals. ठीक है, diseases cause कर सकते हैं अलग अलग. मलेरिया which is a number of disease is called by protozoa plasmodium. प्लाज्मोडियम से मलेरिया होता है. ये बहुत सीरियस डिजीज है, आप भी जानते होंगे ये तो. और द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम इंक्लूड्स द फीमेल एनोफिलिस मॉस्किटो एंड अ ग्रेट human as a host. The most common protozoa parasite in Giardia, which causes giardias. This is commonly contracted by drinking impure water. जब आप गंदा पानी पीते हैं तो ये हो सकती है आपको. Viruses. Virus meaning poison are the microscopic or most primitive organism known to man. They show the characteristics of living as well as non-living beings. They are so small that cannot be seen by a light microscope. They are only visible with electron microscope. Viruses do not have any cellular structure like or microorganism. A virus consists of a single strand of nuclear matter. DNA और RNA होता है उसमें सिंगल बस. Surrounded by a protein coat रहता है उसमें. They multiply or replicate only in the host cell. जिसके ऊपर वो होते हैं वो उसके सेल से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Viruses can be crystallized or stored for many years. Viruses obtain nourishment from their host cell. इन्हें सब कुछ अपने होस्ट से मिलता है. Harmful viruses पढ़ते हैं. All known kind of viruses are pathogenic. That is parasite which causes many diseases in plants and animals and humans. Parasite जो होता है वही करता है mostly. पोलियो, चिकन पॉक्स, मीजल्स की इंजेक्शन भी लगे थे स्कूल में. Common cold, AIDS are viral diseases. Most common viral diseases occur in tobacco plant. In cattle, virus infectious causes foot and mouth diseases. The tobacco mosquito virus was crystallized by W.M. Stanley in 1930 to 1940. Cabbage, cauliflower, mustard, cotton, bean, tomato are usually infected by viruses. Spray pesticides on plants is a good method for protecting them from diseases. Second, pulling is killing of germs with exposure of soil to the sun. Some diseases caused in human can be prevented by getting vaccinated. Smallpox की वैक्सीन रहती है, ठीक है. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ एंड फूड, preservation of food. We know that microorganisms spoil foodstuffs to protect food from spoiling. The growth of microorganism in it must be prevented. The process of food to prevent their spoilage and retain the nutritive value for a long period of time, called food preservation. This can be done in number of ways. Microorganisms grow in the best temperature of about 1 degree Celsius, मतलब बहुत ठंडा. That is why food kept in the refrigerator doesn't spoil. खराब नहीं होता. रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखा हुआ फूड बहुत कम होता है. The temperature in the refrigerator is around 5 degree Celsius. 5 degree Celsius रहता है. Preservation of food is called refrigeration. Pickles are made in very home to preserve seasonal fruit like mangoes and to make them available. Mangoes, lemon, chilies. While picking them, common salt. Preservation, the growth of the microorganisms. Sugar, like salt, also is preservative properties, and this is used in every home to preserve fruits by making marvelous jams and jellies. Like salt and sugar, other chemicals like sodium benzonate can prevent the growth of microorganisms. These chemicals are called preservatives. These helps in preserving the food for a long time. Boiling is an effective way of purifying water to kill milk, prevent milk from curding. इसलिए जब भी दूध हम लाते हैं तो हम उसे पहले उबालते हैं. Some other methods are canning, sun drying. There are many different advantages of preserving food. Preserving of food reduces food wastage by avoiding spoilage, increase the storage period of foodstuff, retain nutritive value for a long period of time, ensure food availability during off season. Food poisoning. If food is not preserved properly, microorganisms grow in it and make the food poisonous. Poisonous food can cause serious illness and even death. So it is essential to prevent the food from poisoning before it is consumed. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी क्या होती है? द स्टडी ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होती है माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया, दोज बैक्टीरिया विच ग्रो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. एनारोबिक होता है जो एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. पैथोजन होते हैं डिजीज प्रोड्यूसिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. फूड प्रिजर्वेशन, प्रोटेक्टिंग एंड रिटेनिंग द न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ द फूड आइटम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होता है केमिकल जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ रोकने के लिए काम आते हैं. थैंक यू. अच्छे से पढ़ना और यहाँ पे चैप्टर ख़त्म.